I know you're saying it's not a quad band, but when you give it a Mars modification, it becomes a quad band. Good morning, everybody. I've just been doing a whole bunch of programming on my VX6R. Got a bunch of 2-meter 440 satellite aircraft frequencies in here. I'm not sure how many police and fire I'm going to grab or put in here because I have everything programmed like that. All 999 memory channels of anything, everything public service on my FT60. So do I really need it on that VX6? Well, just in case there's times I take the VX6 somewhere and I don't have an FT60 with me, so I don't know. Probably just spinning my wheels, wasting time programming it up with all this aircraft military frequency stuff. But anyways, it is fun to listen to from time to time. Look at all this, if I got into there.
Interrupt you anything? Oh, no. I thought perhaps you were entertaining someone up there in your coils.
Coils? Someone? I was just curious.
Is that Winnie the Pooh?
Yes.
But you were singing to someone. Who is it, Carl?
I was just singing.
Prevail against it. It was to be made up. Clients. Bought and paid for. With his own precious blood, and as we started the book of Romans, Paul says, doulos, all, slave of Christ. Purchased. The word says you're not your own. You're bought with a price. Any man will come after me, hate not his father, mother, wife, children, brother, sister, yea, and his own life also, he cannot be my disciple. Whoever does not take up his cross and follow me cannot be my disciple. This, of all organizations, is one that is founded with a subjective person who has a subjective purpose for bringing it into being and pays the price, takes the responsibility to offer it. And his subjective views became objective because you can hardly be more official than God. I think you're clear of that.
Everybody's doing well. I got myself a used VX6R. Was going to buy one new. Put the altimeter board in. I got an Optec 18-inch antenna ordered for it. Maybe it's 20 inches. Have to do a review when it gets here. I also got the AA battery pack for it. I also bought an aftermarket charger, drop-in charger cup for it, since the guy who originally had this, all he had was the wall wart charger, which takes something like 18 hours of charge. So anyways, we have the altimeter board into it. Watch that video. And AA1PR. That's on my All-Star node 147.55 with a 173.8 PL tone. If you ever come to Rutland, Vermont, join us. It's linked into Ham Radio Venture Overland. WordPress site hamradioventureoverland.com or Facebook group Ham Radio Venture Overland. Anyways, but the Yaesu VX6 here. Since it's Mars modified, I didn't do it. The guy who owned it before me did it. It now transmits 6 meters, 2 meters, 220, and 440. My problem is I cannot find an aftermarket antenna that does 6 meters, 2 meters, 220, 440. I can find one that goes the Diamond SRH 999 does 6 meters, 2 meters, 440, and 1200 megahertz, which is 23 centimeters. The Optec, and I forget the other one, which is no longer in production anymore, NCG, the 6 meters, 2 meters, and 440. So that's what I went with. I'm not really going to do anything on the 220 band. It's pretty much dead around Vermont. But I do have this antenna I can carry with me. I could get the VX7 or VX8R antenna, but then you have these little stubs that you got to screw on and off. In the past, I lost a 6-meter stub and had to fight with Yaesu, and I think they charged me a fee to get another one. So anyways, I wish it was just all in one and could do everything quad band. So anyways, 999 memory channels. If we push the band button, which is also the scan, can start scanning. I have about 100 VHF 2 meter frequencies under here. About 75 or 80 440 frequencies. Some 220 frequency, well, there's the satellites, space station, and the 440 stuff, which is designated by 4. Some 6 meter stuff, 900 megahertz stuff, shortwave stuff, shortwave AM ham. I'll show you a video where it's receiving with this little, there you go, short antenna on HF. I don't know if there's a ferrite antenna inside of this or not. I don't think so. So WWCR, Worldwide Christian Radio. That's the ham stuff. It's the 6 meter stuff. Gonna go 900 megahertz. Now back into the aviation stuff. Anyway, simple little radio, great little radio. I got it with the RT Systems VX6R software and cable. So what I paid for it was less than what I could have bought when new. And because I put the altimeter board into it, got the other antenna and the AA battery pack, I will order another battery pack. I'm far ahead of the game, in cost saving. So VX6R, great little radio. Maybe we'll do a video on the programming somewhere down the road if you want. Let me know in the comments below. Hope you guys like the radio, like the video. Something I missed, comment below, but please donate to this channel if you have the kindness of your heart. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for future videos. Everybody be safe. 7-3, God bless.